Guys,
look, Micah.
Yeah.
When it passed there. I think it's heading for us. So, got my probe. Micah, look.
yeah.
When it passed there.
No, you don't have to be my face over here. You just like game over. Boom, 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 boom. That's what you always.
That's what you always do. Micah, what is heading for?
Heading over here. I'm gonna drop a probe and then I'm gonna get out of it.
It's headed for America! It's headed for America! Malacca. It's headed for Malacca. Oh my god. I'm super dead! Wait, Mike is shaking over here. Mike is shaking over here.
This?
Yes. Look.
I'm heading to Boca right now.
It's shaking. Mike, hurry up. It's shaking. Yo, I'm dead. I'm just dead. TT, the tornado, oh my god, Micah, just drop the probe and get in the tornado shelter now.
I dropped my probe.
I don't care. I don't care what it is. Deploy, drop the, or get in the tornado shelter now. Micah!
Yeah?
I'm scared. Yo.
Guys, this violent tornado.
Grandma, there's this tornado that's 300 miles.
Take, look at radar real quick. Look, if that has a lot of, if that has like a million numbers, then it's definitely a violent tornado.
Oh, 10.
This tornado is really I'm getting my probe.
2. Oh, that's dumb. But it's a violent tornado. Now, just watch for a second.
I'm going to get my probe.
What's that smell? How do you get food? Oh my god. Just look at it.
Uncle, guess what? I placed my probe all the way over there, so I felt like I was gonna get 300 and 400. And today I also got 299.
Yeah. And I'm about to drive into the tornado. Yeah, I'm driving it.
Wow, it's just shaking.
Look at it.
Take you down. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, we're the same then. Take you're not gonna survive this.
Yes, I can.
Deploy.
It's spinning fast. Too.
305. 305.
Grandma!
Take.
Hey, what's up, RM? Oh, hey, Bo. Are you having a good day like I am? Because I'm having the best day of my life today.
Mommy, 305.
Oh my god! 305!
Last time we got 299, now it's 305.
Yes! I'm inside the tornado.
Just like
Look at it.
Just like 6 more miles per hour. And it's
I'm
305.
dead.
Don't worry. In-laws, you know what I mean?
Yo, that's crazy.
Guys,
So
305.
I went. The tornado was right there. I'm trying to push the probe.
So that's how many miles per hour the
Yeah.
vehicles withstood?
Look, you see, I got 299. 305? That's crazy.
I'm going to try to enjoy my